Good morning, students. So today this is 21st August and we have completed the chapter My Childhood by APJ Abdul Kalam in our last class. So now what today we are going to do is we are going to do two activities. One is listening activity and one is speaking activity. For listening activity, what I'll do, I'll read out the lines from your chapter and then I will ask you certain questions. You need to answer those questions and send it to your teachers. And then we will do a listening activity that I will talk about it later. Okay. Let us start with the listening activity. Are you ready? With your paper and pen? Okay. Siva Subramanya Iyer was not perturbed, nor did he get angry with his wife, but instead served me with his own hands and sat down beside me to eat his meal. Now, here goes the question. First question is, what could have perturbed Siva Subramaniam Iyer? I repeat, what could have perturbed Siva Subramaniam Iyer? Second question, why did Siva Subramanya Iyer not get angry with his wife? Why did Siva Subramanya Iyer not get angry with his wife? Number 3, what light does the extract throw on Siva Subramaniam's character? What light does the extract throw on Siva Subramaniam's character? Number 4, why do you think he sat with Kalam to eat his meal? Why do you think he sat with Kalam to eat his meal? Number 5, write the meaning of perturbed and try to make a sentence out of it. Okay. Now let us move to the next activity, and this is speaking activity. Let us read what is on the screen. Think and give your opinion on the following. The lines that are written below, you need to think over it कि वो क्या बोल रही हैं, and you need to give your own opinion on it. Career building is the only goal of education, or getting a job is more important than being a good human being. तो आप दोनों लाइन को एक बारी थॉट दो, चैप्टर को रिकॉल करो. At the end we read that na Kalam wanted to go for his higher studies, so it is related somewhat to that. Okay. And while giving your opinion, you can start like this. I think that, it seems to me that, in my opinion, I am of the view that. Okay, children? You will really enjoy if you will do it. And what you need to do is, for this activity, you need to record your voice and send it to your teachers. Isn't it different? थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट लगेगा बट हार्डली मैटर्स. आप बाइलिंगुअल भी भेज सकते हो. ट्राई टू डू इट मोर इन इंग्लिश बट यू कैन सेंड इट बाइलिंगुअल. ओके, गुड डे.